From Robert C. Brown Online. I hope you're having a spectacular and very, very special day wherever you are in the world today. Now, in today's video, I wanted to talk very briefly about how I manifest things into my life. It's really the formula be, do, have. I bang on about this an awful lot, but essentially, when I want things to show up in my life, I know that I have to become the person that is going to attract that, create that, bring that into my physical reality. So I have to step up my game. And if I'm not right now the type of person who can create that situation in my life, then I go to work on me. You see, the being is always the first step. You have to be first. Go to work on yourself. Become the type of person that thinks in a certain way, has certain expectations, takes certain actions, and then the physical stuff that shows up in your life will change as a result of that. So, people ask me about law of attraction all the time. Now, let's take the word attraction just for a second. The word attraction is made up of 10 letters, 6 of which make up the word action. So if you were to take the word action out of the word attraction, what are you left with? Absolutely nothing. So here's the point I'm trying to make, and hopefully you're getting from me today, is that attraction is based on action. Action comes from your beliefs about you, what you're capable of, and what you confidently expect the world to bring to you, to serve up to you as a result of who you are and what you're doing and the value you're giving to the world. Here's another major tip, and this is something that I always do when I'm trying to grow, when I'm working on the business and I want the business to grow or whatever it might be, or I want to achieve a special goal in my life. What I do is I take the focus off of me and what I want and find out where the value is attached to that goal, or where is the value attached to growing my business, and maximize on creating that extra value. So if you can grow the value, let's say in the instance of a business, if you focus on creating more value for people in your marketplace, you'll grow your business. People will flock to you because if your time, attention and effort is spent trying to give them the optimal experience from dealing with your business, people will very soon spread the word for you and start to flock towards you. So it's all about being first, and as a result of being, whether it's in your business or whether or not it's you personally, but remember that behind every business is a person, so you must always start with yourself. From changing your default setting on an inner level, by kind of creating a new identity for yourself, you will change how you think, what you confidently expect to show up, and as a result of that, it will change your behavior patterns. It will change your ability to do things that perhaps you can't do right now. And guess what? If you change what you do, you're going to change what shows up. It's as simple as that. But I don't believe that you just sit down, shut your eyes, wish for something and it shows up. No, that's not it. That's not it. There's a little bit more to it than that. Visualization, emotion, affirmations, they are a critical part of it. But only because what they do is they reprogram you on an inner level so that you become more, and as a result you can create more. I hope that makes sense. So that's what I do. That's what I reckon you should do if at the moment you're struggling to manifest the life and the business or whatever it is for you that you want for yourself. Then, if your way's not working, give my way a try. Who knows? could tip the scales in your favour. So that's it from me. I've enjoyed bringing this video to you today. I hope you've enjoyed it too. If you have, please like the video, click the bell icon so you get notified every time I do one of these, and subscribe to the channel. It would be lovely to have you coming back on a regular basis to check out what I'm doing. And if you want to dig even deeper into all things personal development and scaling your business, then get across to robertcbrown.online. That's robertcbrown.online. Join my community over there. I'd love to welcome you, and we can have some fun there too, and we can grow you and we can grow your business at the same time. That's it from me. Speak soon. Bye bye.